ASMR. Hi Star Babies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in a different location. We are outside, change it up a bit. I was kind of getting bored of my old setup, I guess. I don't know. Today I wanted to do a quick DIY how I make my coffee. All the ingredients will be linked down below in the description box. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need is obviously some hot water. I have mine here in this little kettle. Next, you're going to need, this is the coffee that I use, which is Nescafe coffee. This is the Clásico mild, so it's medium roast. It's really thinly grounded, I guess you could call it. I'm not too sure. Here, I just have a little tiny cup, and this is, I guess you can call a tablespoon. So we're going to take a pretty big amount, so this much, and put it in. Kind of like the same thing, but a little bit smaller, so I just tap off a little bit more excess. So this is the next one you have here. So I put basically 2 tablespoons. I'm going to put my hot water, obviously like you make coffee. This isn't your first time making coffee. This is about how much water I put. So I got too excited and I forgot to put in the cinnamon, but that's okay. If you make a mistake, it's fine. You're gonna take your same spoon and literally fill up half of it with cinnamon. Wait, that's gonna take forever. Oh. Okay. Hold please.
Behind the camera.
The cinnamon challenge. The cinnamon that I use is basically ground cinnamon from Kroger. It's really cheap. You're gonna mix it up, let it sit for a bit. The cinnamon takes a while to melt in. I've also used, I don't know if you've seen in my past videos, I've used the tea bag of cinnamon, which is really good too, but I feel like the actual powdered cinnamon gives it a different flavor. You're gonna take some ice, which I already have here. This is just a regular mason jar. The ice is already melting because we've taken a long time. I have a mixture here of milk and half and half. I mix my milk and half together because I want my milk to be creamier. Disclaimer, I am lactose intolerant, and disclaimer, I am really trying to drink non-dairy products, but disclaimer, no one else in my family has oat milk and I don't want to be the only one drinking it, so you have to kind of, what's the word I'm looking for? There you go, adapt. So here, I'm going to pour my milk in. So about that much. You're not going to pour all of it right away because you might have too much. Okay, so you're gonna kind of just, you know the little mixing thing you do when you make coffee? A lot of you can stop here. I don't know, depending on the type of color you like your coffee to be. I personally like mine to be creamy. I'm gonna pour the rest of this milk in. Aesthetic. So pretty. I used to drink it with sugar and it tastes so good. It's like, oh, delicious. But sugar makes me break out, like the refined granulated sugar makes me break out a lot. Recently my mom put it into my coffee in one morning and I was like, oh, this tastes so good. But I was like, wait, why does it taste so good? Because it had coffee, it had the sugar in it, so I couldn't drink it. This is still really good. A nice touch that my mom usually does when she makes it. By the way, also, before I continue, thank you, Mom, for always making my coffee in the morning. She does. Personally, I don't make it every morning. She makes it every morning. Well, I can't make it every morning, but she just makes it really good. Anyways, she likes to put a little dash of cinnamon on top. That was a lot of cinnamon. There is your simple coffee. Yep, it tastes good. Okay, I was scared it was gonna taste bad. That is the quick, fast, easy LindseyStarbies cafe. If you like videos like these, please feel free to leave a little emoji down in the comment section, just so I know, like, you guys like DIYs, you guys like makeup, you like vlogs, I don't know. I like making any types of videos. Make sure to follow my Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat. All the links, everything that I used today will be down in the description box. I've recently been linking everything down because a lot of people have been asking, where do you get this? Where do you get that? It takes a while, but I got you. Thank you to my mom and thank you to my brother for filming this. She's really good with cinematography and aesthetics of things, and his camera is really good, and he has a mic, so hopefully the quality of this is a little better. If you like it, let me know. Okay, and that's all I have to say. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!